laugh, people be like, yeah, you sound evil. Like, you sound like a villain, which is crazy. Like, I went to church once and I laughed, right? The pastor was funny. And fine, amen. I said, oh my God, he got tattoos? Amen. Anyway, the pastor said something funny, I laughed. He go, the devil is in here today. The devil? I don't hear it. No, I hear it. I'm not Helen Keller. Oh, my bad. Is it too soon for Helen Keller? No. I'm a nice person with an evil laugh, right? Like, on the scale of Regina George to Ursula, I'm Mojo Jojo. Like, I'm...